Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to memorialize an Instagram account. Memorializing an Instagram account is a way to honor someone who has passed away by preserving their profile as a place for friends and family to share memories and condolences. Here's how to do it. First, submit a request using Instagram's memorialization request form. To request a memorialization, you'll need to provide information about yourself and your loved one. Start by going to the memorialization request form in your web browser. https://help.instagram.com contact 45 22249888254813. If you haven't already logged into your own Instagram account, you'll be prompted to log in or sign up when you follow the link. Provide information about yourself and your loved one. Once you open the contact form, fill in the requested information. You'll need to provide your full name, your email address, the full name of your deceased loved one, the username of the Instagram account you'd like to memorialize, the date of the person's death. If you don't know the exact date, it's okay to approximate. You can also provide any other information you think might be helpful. Link to an obituary or upload a screenshot. To memorialize an Instagram account, you'll need to provide proof of the person's death. Instagram will accept a link to an obituary or a news article about their death. If you don't have a link, you can also upload a screenshot or a photo of a print obituary. Hit the Browse button on the form to upload the file from your computer. Wait for Instagram's team to respond to your request. All memorialization requests have to be reviewed by Instagram's support staff, so you might not get an answer right away. But once your request is approved, the account will be memorialized and only visible to the person's followers. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily memorialize an Instagram account. It's a way to keep the memory of your loved one alive and allow others to continue to share their love and memories. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and tips like this one. Thanks for watching.